everyone, this is Alex. Say hello.
Hello.
Today we're going to be doing a color correction on her. We're taking her from this level 3 brown, and we're probably going to take her between a 4 and a 5. She just wants to be a true chocolate, but what we're doing in this video is testing out the new Schwarzkopf Blonde Enforcing Color Remover. So let's see how well it works. I'm not going to go through how to mix it because it's all in the instructions, so that part will bore you, but we'll be right back with the results. Okay, so that is part B of the color remover. You can see it looks a little bit like Developer. Now I'm going to use the color remover part A, which looks like lightener. And then you just got to add in some regular 10 vol, 1-to-1. So in total this is 60 grams. You're going to add 60 grams of Developer. So here's her hair close-up. You can see that it's lightening but unevenly. Now what I'm going to do is bring her to the sink. I want to test if this is a lightener. So what I'm going to do is put it right on her regrowth and see if it bumps it at all. So here's her hair. You can see here her roots have lifted, so this is lightener. You can also see that it hasn't lifted completely evenly, but it's perfect for what we need. So here's what it looks like after we rinsed it. You can see here her roots are lighter, so that's definitely some sort of lightener in there. And it lifted relatively evenly, not overly, but now we're going to go ahead and color it. I'm going to mix, I'm going to add some green into my level 5 to cut some of this red because we want it to be warm but not that red. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. My consensus obviously is that it's some form of lightener because it bumped her base. The only color remover that I've tried on the market that hasn't done that is the Pravana one. So if you know of any other ones that I should try or that you love, please let me know. Also, again, leave any questions or comments about this video, or anything about the industry down below too. We will get back to you. So the thought I want to leave you with today is this. Not only are you brilliant, you're beautiful, and you're going to go on to do some amazing things. Have a beautiful day. Bye.